Look closely. No, closer. For 5 years, we've been told the foldable Crease was just something we had to live with, a tax for having a tablet in our pocket. Host appears on camera holding the Blossom Orange Find N6. But with the OPPO Find N6, that tax just got repealed. This is the world's first zero-feel Crease foldable. OPPO just launched the Find N6, and they are making some bold claims. They're calling this the world's first zero-feel Crease foldable. And on the back, a massive 200-megapixel Hasselblad sensor. In a world where Samsung is playing it safe and Google is getting slim, OPPO is trying to do everything at once. Is the Find N6 truly the gold standard for 2026, or is it just spec sheet magic? Let's find out. At first glance, it looks familiar. You still have that iconic Cosmos Ring camera deco, but it's been refined, cleaner, less of an eyesore. It comes in stellar titanium and a very bold blossom orange. But the real story is the engineering. This phone is 4.2 millimeters thin when open and under 9 millimeter folded. It weighs just 225 grams. That is lighter than some Pro Max slab phones. But look at this screen. OPPO is using a second-gen Titanium Flexion Hinge and something they call auto-smoothing flex glass. It's 50% thicker glass with a spring-like memory. When you unfold it, the glass literally pushes back against the crease. Rhineland certified this for 1 million folds. In person, you can barely see the crease, and more importantly, you can barely feel it when sliding your thumb across. It's a hardware miracle. You're getting two world-class panels here. The inner 8.112-inch 2K LTPO OLED uses Samsung's E7 material, and the cover screen is a BOE Q10 panel. Both are 120Hz LTPO. The outer screen is a 6.62-inch display with 2616-1140 resolution, making it perfect for quick tasks and one-handed use. Both screens support rich colors with 100% P3 and sRGB gamut for a vibrant experience. Brightness is solid, 1800 nits in high brightness mode, peaking at 3600 nits for HDR content. It's not the brightest on the market anymore, but the 2160Hz PWM dimming makes it incredibly easy on the eyes. And for the first time, we have triple IP ratings: IP56, IP58, and IP59. That means it can survive high-pressure, high-temperature water jets. This is officially the most durable foldable OPPO has ever made. Under the hood is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Now, tech nerds take note. This is the 7-core variant, not the 8-core version found in the S26 Ultra. OPPO did this for thermals. In real-world use, you won't notice. It flies. Multitasking with the new free flow window in ColorOS 16 is the best implementation of a tablet-style UI I've seen on a phone. Then there's the Snap key on the side. One press captures a screenshot to your AI mindspace. It's like a digital brain that indexes everything you see. You can even use the new OPPO AI Pen for 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity. It's a genuine mobile workstation. Let's talk about that 200-megapixel monster. It's the Samsung HP5 sensor tuned by Hasselblad. Usually, foldables compromise on cameras because of space. Not here. The detail in the 200-megapixel high-res mode is staggering. You can crop in 4x and still have a sharp image. The 50-megapixel 3x periscope is great for portraits, though I wish we had a 5x or 10x native zoom. For selfies and video calls, there are dual 20-megapixel front cameras, one on the outer screen and one inside. The new True Color spectral sensor is the secret sauce. It fixes white balance in tricky indoor lighting where most phones turn yellow. And for video, 4K 120fps Dolby Vision on a foldable. That's professional grade. Despite being so thin, they crammed a 6,000 mAh silicon carbon battery inside. 80 watts wired charging gets you from 0 to 100 in about 45 minutes. 50-watt wireless is also here. Battery life is good, not great. With two big screens and that powerful chip, you're looking at about 5 to 6 hours of screen-on time if you're pushing it. It'll get you through a day, but you'll want that super brick nearby. So, the OPPO Find N6. It's the first foldable that actually feels like a finished product rather than an experiment. The zero-feel crease is the real deal. The durability is industry-leading, and the cameras finally rival the best slab phones. The downsides? The 7-core chip might annoy spec chasers, and the battery life could be better. But if you want the most refined folding experience on the planet right now, this is it. What do you think? Is the zero-feel crease enough to make you switch? Let me know in the comments. I'm Teletech. Thanks for watching.